In our last lesson, we learned about common denominators and reciprocals. Today, we will learn how to add and subtract fractions. We will learn fractions with the same denominator, fractions with different denominators, how to use common denominators, how to simplify fractions. Let's begin. What does it mean to add fractions? Adding fractions means combining parts of a whole. Imagine a pizza divided into 8 equal slices. Tom eats 3 slices, Amy eats 2 slices. How many slices did they eat altogether? We can write this as 3/8 plus 2/8. Let's find out. Tom eats 3 out of 8 slices. Amy ate 2 out of 8 slices. Together they ate 3 plus 2 equals 5 slices. The denominator stays the same. So 3/8 plus 2/8 equals 5/8. This means they ate 5/8 of the pizza. When the denominators are the same, keep the denominator. Add the numerators. For example, just like the last question, 3/8 plus 2/8 equals 5/8. Very simple. Now let's try one together. 1/5 plus 2/5 equals what? The denominator are the same. Keep the denominator 5. Add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer is 3/5. Great job. Now let's look at a new example. 1/2 plus 1/4. Can we add them directly? No. The denominators are different. The pieces are different size. First, we need a common denominator. Let's change 1/2 into fourths. 1/2 equals 2/4. Now our problem becomes 2/4 plus 1/4. The denominators are now the same. Step 2. Add the numerators. Now we can add 2/4 plus 1/4. Keep the denominator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer is 3/4. Well done. Subtraction follow the same rule. For example, 5/8 minus 2/8. Keep the denominator. Subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So the answer is 3/8. Now let's look at a new example. 1/2 minus 1/4. First, find the common denominator. 1/2 equals 2/4. Now we have 2/4 minus 1/4. Subtract the numerators. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So the answer is 1/4. Excellent. Now let's practice. 1/3 minus 1/3. The denominator are the same, so keep the denominator. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer is 2/3. Now 3/4 minus 1/4. Still the same. Keep the denominator. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So the answer is 2/4. Can we simplify it? Yes. 2/4 equals 1/2. Sometimes we can write a fraction in a simpler form. For example, 2/4. Both the numerators and denominator can be divided by 2. So 2/4 equals 1/2. These fractions have the same value. They simply look different. Today, we learned how to add fractions with the same denominator, how to subtract fractions with the same denominator, how to find the common denominator, how to add and subtract fractions with different denominators, how to simplify fractions. Remember, keep the denominator, add or subtract the numerators, and always find the common denominator when needed. Thank you for watching.